కనిపిస్తుందిలే
ఆ స్కూల్ యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటేనే
స్కూల్ యూనిఫామ్ లేకపోయినా ఇట్లా తీరగంటే ఎవరు గుర్తుపడతారు?
Good afternoon everyone. The 68th annual college fest DFesto 19 is going to be started. Dr. Jayabhaskar Madam garu onto the stage. I also invite Professor and HOD of Department of ENT, UG Men's Hostel Warden Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir garu onto the stage. I also invite UG Women's Hostel Warden Professor of Physiology Mubarak Madam garu onto the stage. I request the delegates to address the gathering.
Celebrations of the Hostel Day. And first of all, I congratulate the wardens for their hard work, and the secretaries of the hostel. 1, 2, 3, 4. And probably I'm seeing men's hostel clean today, and everyone dressed up nicely. Happy to be with you.
Bunny, Lungilu.
Thank you.
Now I request.
Actually, this gathering is mainly to have fun and food also. To relax, sit. Without going for a hectic schedule of different programs all these 3-4 days. But we have taken all the measures to keep it clean and green. Clean and green. Swachh Bharat like our students will maintain every day. Not just on this day. Maintain it on every day. Like we are seeing today. We continue every day. Studies and your relaxation, especially in hostels. Thank you for all your efforts to make it possible. Thank you.
Thank you.
This madam's birthday also. Yara Mohammed. Mubarak. Half secretary maybe not. Happy birthday, Mubarak.
అమ్మ ఇలా తిరగండి మీరు అది రామ్మోహన్ ఇలా తిరగండి దగ్గర అంతే మేడం అమ్మ నేను ఇక్కడే ఉంటాను సార్ బెటర్ అమ్మా
Happy birthday, Mubarak.
మేడం మేడం సార్
This time onwards we'll have hostel day.
సార్ సార్ ముందుకు రండి సార్ 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 మేడం సార్
జనాలు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు
అందుకే రెట్టిస్తున్నాడు సార్
మెల్లిగా సార్
ఇప్పుడే కేక్ ఇచ్చినారు, అప్పుడే మళ్ళీ 7 దినం అంటే ఎట్ట సార్?
అరగదు తగ్గుతుంది.
చెప్పినావు కదా ఆయన ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన మళ్ళీ చేయడం అదే పని మొదలు పెట్టాడు.
ఒకటి తెచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు దాకా.
2 కట్టలు వచ్చినాయి.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆపోజిట్ షెడ్ ఉంది చూడు, షెడ్ లాస్ట్ లో అందరూ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. వస్తాను
తమ్ముడు రెడ్ అన్న వెనక రెడ్ అన్న ఉంది. క్లాస్మేట్ ఏంది అలా
దీని వరకు
हेलो नमस्ते अस्सलाम वालेकुम वनक्कम शुभाभिवंदनम
I'm Minna Sharifa with my co-host Badru Sana. Welcome you all on behalf of whole SPMC family on this evening.
Wow, how blissful this evening is.
Yeah, exactly. We all have gathered here to celebrate our hostel day, that is Drushya 19, which is sponsored by Swiggy, a food delivery app, Marrow, Gold Standard for NEET PG preparation, ITC Classmate and Chili's Restaurant.
Exactly. You know, time really flies.
Yes, we all entered this family as strangers. As the days passed by, the zoo became a family.
Obviously, people say we are hostlers, but we say we are a family.
Yeah, after we exit from this college, the thing that remains with us is our hostel memories.
We can't share everything with our parents, so we have friends.
Exactly. We do have a lot of fishy conversations, fights, good memories, cooking in the rooms, sharing our dresses, late night chit chats, gossips, and night outs during exams.
Yeah, our traveling hacks during Sundays, sharing food, taking care of self-belongings, we do have a lot of memories.
Exactly. As I already said, we all are no less than a family. In keeping with the spirit of continual change and evolution, we would like to unveil a new phase of our college, that is our hostel day, Drushya 2019.
Before the start of the event, let me first acknowledge the presence of our eminent guests of the evening.
Now, I'd like to call upon the dais our beloved principal, Dr. C. Jabaskar Madam Garu, the person who is known for her grit and determination, a very good administrator, to occupy her honorable seat on the dais. Principal and additional DME SPMC. We are very much honored with your presence, madam. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call upon the dais the Superintendent of GMH, Dr. Bharati Madam Garu, Professor and HOD of Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, to come on the dais.
రెడ్డి రెడ్డి
I am very much elated to invite our student coordinator, Dr. Madhavi Koteti Madam, Professor and HOD Department of Biochemistry, to take her honorable seat.
I'm very glad to invite our warden of Women's UG Hostel, Dr. Mubarak Madam, Assistant Professor of Physiology, to take her respectable seat.
లైట్ ఆపేసి స్టేజ్ లైట్ వేసింది ముందు లైట్ ఆపేసి స్టేజ్ లైట్ వేసింది
It gives me immense pleasure to invite on the dais our warden of UG Men's Hostel, Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir, Professor and HOD EMT Department. Thank you, sir.
Now, I feel very much honored to invite our esteemed chief guest, the one who believes in impossible, the one who's never deterred by obstacles, the one who is ready to surge ahead of all.
Yes, you all have guessed it right. She is none other than our Dr. V. Subhadra Devi Madam, Professor and HOD Department of Anatomy, SPMC, ex-professor and Vice Principal of SPMC, to come on to the dais and take her honorable seat. Thank you, Madam.
I would like to invite our beloved Hostel Secretary of Men's Hostel, Sir Sri G. Naresh Chaudhary, to come on to the dais.
Now I invite our beloved Hostel Secretary of Women's Hostel, K. Kavya, to come on to the dais and take her seat.
ఈ అమ్మాయి మొదలు పెట్టిన
ఉండదండి. లైవ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు వెనక
బ్లాక్ డ్రెస్ అమ్మా బ్లాక్ డ్రెస్ అమ్మా
महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महादेवसुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकाप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिम् Srishana. Now I call upon our beloved Principal Madam Dr. Jaya Bhaskar Garu to share her thoughts.
Good evening, SPMC. Respected Chief Guest of the evening, Dr. Subhadra Devi Garu, dear colleagues and my dear students. On this pleasant evening, I have the privilege of extending a warm welcome to Dr. Subhadra Devi, who is a former student of this college and professor of anatomy. She has accepted the invitation of our students and staff to spend some time with us in the leisurely and congenial atmosphere on the occasion of our hostel day of SV Medical College. This is the first major medical and health institution established in this region. It's nearly next year will be crossing 60 years. Over years, it has been a custom to celebrate Hostel Day. For the past few years, we are getting students from other states. But before it was only the students from SVU area joined this college. Now people from other states are preferring to join this college, and probably in near future, this campus will become a mini India. Now the admission capacity has increased, and even the occupation of hostel have increased enormously. Our dear students in the hostels are adjusting themselves under harsh living conditions. The only solace they have is the love and affection of our wardens who treat them as their children. Thanks to Dr. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Mubarak, Dr. Ram Mohan and Dr. Fahim. Staying in the hostel fosters the caring and sharing qualities. Now the students have increased from 200 to 250, and we are trying to get an additional drop over both the hostels. I understand there are a lot of lacunae in the hostels regarding the rooms, mess, sanitation, water, sewage. The conditions are a bit better in women's hostel. But on this day, our students forget all the hardship and enthusiastically celebrate the hostel day. I congratulate the hostel secretaries and wardens for their hard work in maintaining the hostels. But one thing I would like to stress, the hostels are the part of this temple of learning. So everyone should try to maintain the sanctity of this premise. We will certainly do all that is within our command to make your hostel stay comfortable, safe, happy and memorable. Thank you.
What a heart-touching encouragement. Thank you, madam. Now, I request our Superintendent of GMH, Dr. Bharati Madam Garu, to address the evening.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, our beloved principal, our chief guest, our coordinator, students coordinator, and hostel wardens, and our student representatives. I welcome all of you to this hostel day. And now the female administrators are more than male administrators. I wish and I also hope all of you will accept and also will coordinate with us. I want to tell only few words. When I was student, our colleagues who were in hostel, they were more bright than day students. So when they were going to library and their colleagues, they were discussing, and they used to get more marks than us. I was a day student. And Dr. Indirabai Madam, who was a renowned pediatrician, Madam was hostel warden at that time. When we were posted to pediatrics department, whenever Madam asked question, if anybody answers, first question she would like to ask, are you a day student or hostler? If they say we are hostler, she used to feel very happy. If they say that we are day student, the hostel girls are sleeping by taking a good curd from the hostel. So that was the comment. I was also warden for some time when Sunita Madam was principal. First I used to think that it is a burden for me, but a situation came when one student had some emergency whom I want to take care of that student. At that time I felt really the wardenship is a responsible post, and till I was relieved from this post, I have taken the responsibility. Our Madam Subhadra Madam was also my former warden for both PG and UG hostel. Madam has done her best and I have learned so many things from Madam. I thank all the students to do your best in your career and keep up the institute ahead in our future. Thank you very much for this.
Madam, for such an encouraging speech and sharing your memories. Now I invite our student coordinator, Dr. Madhavi Kondeti Madam, to share her ideas. I request our warden of men's hostel, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir, to speak a few words. Please welcome him with a big round of applause.
And my regards to senior colleagues, Chief Guest Dr. Subhadra Devi Garu, who was our teacher. When I joined medicine, she was in anatomy department as, I think, postgraduate. Yeah. She was a service busy. We learned many things from her. It's really, I personally feel Madam is inspiring personality in many acts. She is a good administrator, good teacher, and very friendly in many aspects to all. We learned many things from Madam, and it is really very, very happy. I am very glad now to see Madam here on this lovely, wonderful occasion of this Hostel Day celebration. Thank you very much, Madam, for accepting this invitation and sharing our day with us. Thank you very much. And also Dr. Jayabhaskar Madam, she was also a senior colleague and always admire her for her teaching abilities and her now the administrative abilities. Now I am very happy to see a principal of this caliber who could control this institute, I feel. Because it is, I feel, it is just a time where we are finding some deviations in terms of discipline, habits, and lifestyle. So I feel it is high time there should be some check in it. You should have some mending in it. And you need some guidance to maintain the dignity of medical students. I stress this. Dignity of medical students is at highest caliber. Don't degrade it at any cost. We don't allow it. So I am happy to see Dr. Jayabhaskar Madam as our principal, who could control, who could lead us in a better pathway to the success and elevation of the prestige of this SUMC. I definitely hope that in her tenure it will elevate a lot, these two peaks. Already SUMC is having good reputation. I know personally the students at SUMC Medical College, I can compare with other colleges because I know Vizag, Kakinada, Kurnool, and Guntur also. Compared to all colleges, our students are the best. I am not biased in saying that. I personally feel it, I know it, because the discipline and the respect the students give to teachers is really appreciable in our college compared to other colleges. So let us maintain it. Let us maintain it. And in fact, we try to improve all the qualities of medical students, not only the education, your discipline, culture, all matter. So don't neglect other things also. Maintain good dignity and maintain the standards of our culture and maintain good standards in education. Coming to the hostels, as Madam was telling, there are some lacunae in maintaining the hostels because it's not just fund scarcity, the occupants have increased enormously from about 200 to now it is crossing 300, where the accommodation is limited accommodation and facilities. As far as possible, we are trying to improve all the facilities. I feel it is now much better, because I am warden for the last 6 years. When I entered, I have been telling this every time, it was in very, very bad shape and it has improved a lot. Today, practically, when we went there for lunch, you would have appreciated the beauty of that hostel. Is it not? It is really beautiful. It looked clean and green. And lovely atmosphere. It is all possible with efforts of our students, our inmates, who took all the pains to make it possible, and also with the cooperation of our principal, respected principal, we could make all the amendments and adjustments, and we could procure all the requirements. All the requirements were procured with funds from students only, not a single item from government. It's all the students' fund. Previously, when I entered, before I entered as warden, there was huge amounts in deposits. Then I felt, what's the use of keeping funds accumulated, and just then going to the funds transferred to other batches. What are we giving to the students who are at present? The students could not get anything for what they deposited. That funds are just transferred to next batches, and these people used to suffer a lot. There are no water facility, not much cleanliness, everything. It was not safe to live in such place. It looked like that. Then I started utilizing funds. Now it is just optimum, not huge amounts. It is just maintaining with the optimum amount of funds. We are providing all the facilities. You might have seen the painting work also. Again, it has deteriorated recently, so though it was a bit costlier, we arranged the paintings of interior and exterior also, and also procured. Our students used to lie down, sleep on floor, because due to lack of cots also, there was not insufficient cots there. So whenever the parents come to meet them, they had the pain of seeing the children sleeping on floor. So immediately I started purchasing cots. So recently I purchased nearly 50-60 cots additionally. So no more floor sleeping. We can all sleep on beds, nothing else. And we'll try to improve all the other facilities also. You know, there is hot water facilities there, then there is air-conditioned reading room. Of course, there was some hindrances maintaining that, but again we'll rectify all things and it will be maintained round the clock. Not round the clock, throughout the year, without any interruptions hereafter. And also, I personally feel the mess is being maintained well now, and at a very much reasonable, affordable price of 2,500 rupees, which is not possible anywhere else at any challenge, compared with any other college. 2,500, very nutritious, surplus food. It is as good as what we have at home. I always tell the students and the organizers, they have to eat whatever I eat at home. Whatever I eat at home, they have to eat. They should take it. So that's the thing we are arranging here. So we are taking all possible measures to keep the hostel a home away from home. Home away from home. So feel totally feel at home. So in future also, any more requirements will be given to you, will be met with as early as possible, and this we'll try to make it the best possible accommodation for all of you. So I wish you all the best in future, and personal request is try to maintain the dignity and discipline and highest possible standards in education also. So all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Very much, sir, for enlightening us. I now welcome Dr. Mubarak Madam, Warden of UG Men's Hostel, for her speech.
Dr. Subhadra Madam, our beloved Principal Dr. Jayabaskar Madam, and all the dignitaries on the stage and off the stage, my dear students, I feel very much privileged to invite you all a warm welcome to this Hostel Day celebration, as I am being the Warden of the Women UG Hostel. I am really very much excited to be among Jayabaskar Madam and Subhadra Madam, the dynamic ladies. I have always been admiring the way Madam talks, the way the administration she does. Always I used to admire. Especially Subhadra Madam has been warden of our hostel when Madam was here. Every time with my office staff, I used to ask what Madam will do for each and every issue, what Subhadra Madam will tell, what Subhadra Madam will do. Unknowingly, Madam, you are a role model or you are an inspiration to me. And Madam is helping without her knowledge for whatever I am doing in the hostel. Thank you, Madam. Thank you. And Jayabaskar Madam is the person who always advises and supports. And I am free enough to approach Madam whenever I need. Thank you, Madam. Thank you for supporting us. And coming to the hostel. Our hostel is one of the oldest hostels which was started in the year 1963. And that time we had only 10 rooms with 50 inmates. But now, because of the growing admissions and more girls are joining comparatively than the boys, now we have 470 girls in our hostel. And these girls are accommodating 120 rooms, which are very, very insufficient, ma'am. And already I have represented Madam for extra rooms. Madam has promised to provide. And whatever the rooms available, we are trying to give a comfortable life to our girls. We want to give a happy and safe life to our girls so that they should not feel that they are away from the home. They should feel like they are staying at home. For that sake, we did certain works in a hostel. For example, certain civil works like we replaced all the broken tiles in the dining hall. Then we replaced all the damaged door frames in the new hostel and with new frames. And also the washrooms are cleaned and the door frames are replaced. Then apart from that, the warden's room is renovated and a restroom is attached to it so that I can stay there whenever students require me. And one more thing is, we have cleaned all the hostel premises. All these other recent works done. Apart from that, in our hostel, we found the furniture are very less, so we purchased nearly 50 cots and additional chairs to comfort the students. So each student has her own cot. But only thing is, in a room where only 3 people can stay, in few rooms, we have accommodated nearly 5 to 6. That is the only difficulty students are facing. And apart from these facilities, we have a good reading room which is air conditioned so that students can make use of it. We have a gym room and indoor games so that students can relax. We have a TV room with a LED TV for refreshment. And we have all other facilities like a computer with an operator, with an internet facility, but still we need a Wi-Fi facility and we are planning to get it. Apart from that, we have CC cameras installed in our hostel campus, which helps to keep the girls safe and secure. And with the help of a private security service, we have appointed security people to provide security round the clock. Round the clock, 2 persons will be available in the morning and the 2 in the evening. Round the clock security are available. And then we have good water supply with our own bore wells. And we have pure drinking water through, we have installed RO system. All these facilities are made so that the students should not feel discomfort, should not feel that they are away from home. And one more thing is, through our municipal commissioner, we have arranged fogging, which is being done once in 15 days. And also, we are doing spraying work so that the hostel campus is clean. And the food provided to the students is of their choice. Whatever they demand, we change on and off according to their requirement. And all these facilities are done for the students' comfort. At this contest, I have to thank my office staff and the hostel staff, Mrs. Bhagyamma, Nirmala, Hema, Devi, all these staff is a supporting staff to me, with whose help I am able to do all this work successfully. And one more thing is, my hostel secretary, Miss Kavya. The day she took the charges, from the day one, she's always behind me. Every time she'll come, madam, this is not working, that is not good, this is that and all good. And she is the one who initiated me to all the repair works. Now, I believe all the repair works have done in my hostel. Thank you, Kavya. And finally, I'll thank a principal madam who has given me such a support to run the hostel without any difficulty. So, my hostel girls, always you feel like being at home. It's a home with a mom for you. So you can, anytime you can come to me. Whatever difficulties you feel, you're free to come to me. You can approach me, you can share your problems. I am always there for you. Every time, ma'am, students, they freely call to me at any time. So, always I am there for you to help. Thank you once again. Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam, for your informative speech. Now, I call upon our beloved HS of Men's Hostel, G. Naresh Chaudhary, to speak a few words.
Exuberant evening to one and all. Warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. V. Subhadra Devi Madam Garu, retired professor and head of the department anatomy SVMC, our chief guest, and our principal, Dr. C. Jayabaskar Madam Garu, GMX Superintendent, Dr. T. Bharti Madam Garu, and our student coordinator, Dr. K. Madhavi Madam Garu, and our UG Men's Hostel warden, Dr. Chandrasekhar Sir Garu, and our UG Women's warden, Dr. Mubarak Madam Garu. 26th July 1960, the date that remarks the genesis of Sri Venkateshwara Medical College and foothills of Tirupati, to which our UG Men's Hostel is bonded to. It seems to be yesterday when we entered this college like reluctant caterpillars, when our parents dropped us this hostel, and then time started to fly. 4 years of my life flew away at a glimpse. Words just fall short to describe my gratitude for this hostel, our second home. Our friendship started from shaking hands to sharing things. Jo tera hai, wo mera hai. From 2 a.m. Maggie, 1 p.m. wake up. Late night talks, exam night outs. It was all fun then, but now and forever. It's giving to be memories we cherish forever. I extend my heartfelt sincere thanks to our hostel warden, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir. They are very kind-hearted and have been very sympathetic. Sir, the way you responded to the problems we notified itself shows your commitment as warden and love towards us. Hurdles in hostel regarding transparencies, men's maintaining and many more were solved by you, sir. Renovation of rooms, plantation in and around the hostel, CC in the hostel premises, individual cabins to study, and much more importantly, availing us blissful food at the lowest possible price of 2,500 rupees. The ongoing works regarding bike parking, separate borewell to hostel, reconstruction of toilets itself reflects your resolution, sir. Sir, you not only taught us lessons, but also molded to face different challenges, cared us father, gave us home-like atmosphere. Back to 2014, the year took charge as a warden, sir. Make the beginning of new era in the UG Men's Hostel, the biggest noble transition. Sir, may you find the mountain right for you. We pray Almighty to give you health and prosperity, respect you to support, and bless you all the way for our lives, sir. For this euphoric evening, there has been substructure for the past 20 days where we worked as a team together, my friends Sandeep, Suman, Subhash, Shivagangadhar, and especially our mess secretary Ganesh, and all my friends. Sorry, can't mention individually due to time constraint. You all people in my heart forever. Big thanks to 2K14, 16, 17, 18, 15 and below juniors 2K19. It's Drishya 2019 emphasizes the acceleration, swoop into the splendor, euphoric ecstasy. Thank you each and everyone for availing this precious opportunity. Thank you. And finally, make the coincidence of pre-return. Ma'am, it's your day on our hostel day. Madam, Paila Hai, so Din Mubarak.
Thank you, Naresh, for sharing your experiences. Now, I'd like to request Kavya, HS of Women's Hostel, to share her experience.
Good evening, everyone. Speech అయితే రెడీగా ఉంది బట్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పుకుంటే నా ఫీలింగ్స్ ఐ మే నాట్ కన్వే దట్. నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ అంటే బాగా రాసే వాళ్ళతోనే స్పీచ్ రాయించుకున్నాను కానీ నాకు అసలు అందరు చెప్పేశారు వాట్ వీ ఫీల్ అనేది. కానీ హాస్టల్లో నేను ఎప్పటికీ హోమ్ సిక్ అని ఖచ్చితంగా ఫీల్ అయ్యేదాన్ని. ఫైనల్ ఇయర్కి వచ్చాక హాస్టల్ సెక్రటరీగా నేను తీసుకున్నాక నాకు కావాల్సినట్టు అంటే నా ఒక్క రూమే కాదు, నా ఒక్క ఫెసిలిటీసే కాదు, మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరి కోసం నేను అడిగాను. మేడం చాలా వరకు చేశాను. అండ్ రీసెంట్గా మేడం జయభాస్కర్ మేడం నాకు ప్రిన్సిపల్ అయ్యారు. ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చిన చేంజెస్ మెన్స్ హాస్టల్లో కూడా చేంజ్ కమ్స్ విత్ పవర్ అంటారు కదా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మనం అసలు హాస్టల్ డేస్ అంటే ఆ నైట్స్లో మిడ్నైట్ మ్యాగీ వేసుకుంటాము, అట్లాంటి మెమరీస్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కదా. అసలు ఈ 4 yearsలో మా బ్యాచ్ మేట్స్ మాత్రం మా అంటే ఎవ్రీ బ్యాచ్లో మేము చూసాము యూనిటీ ఉంది అని చెప్పుకుంటున్నారు. వీ లిటరలీ ఫీల్ వీ డూ హ్యావ్ క్లాషెస్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అస్ బట్ వీ డోంట్ షో టు అదర్స్ అనేది మా హాస్టలర్స్లోనే మాకు తెలిసింది రీసెంట్గా. మేము ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వకూడదు, కొందరు అనుకుంటే నేనేమి ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వను, ఏ దాంట్లో ఉండను అనుకుంటారు, బట్ దే ఆల్సో గెట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్. ప్రతి దాంట్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి మాకు హెల్ప్ చేశారు. గేమ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయడం, ఇంకా కొందరు బయటకు వెళ్ళి అంటే తీసుకురావాల్సినవి కొందరు ధైర్యంగా తీసుకురావాల్సిన కొంతమంది చేయగలుగుతారు, వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా మాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. అండ్ ఎస్పెషలీ థ్యాంక్స్ టు హేమ ఆంటీ. ఆమె సిక్ రూమ్ ఇప్పుడు డెంగ్యూ ఫీవర్స్ చాలా వచ్చాయి. 19 బ్యాచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ప్రతిరోజు క్యాజువాలిటీగా స్టే చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది. షీ అండ్ సుజాత అక్క నిజంగా వాళ్ళు డే అండ్ నైట్ అక్కడే ఉన్నారు. మాకు పోస్టింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్రతిదానికి హాస్టల్ సెక్రటరీస్ వెళ్ళాలి అనే థాట్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళు మేము చెప్పిన వెంటనే వెళ్ళారు. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ దట్. అండ్ భాగ్యం ఆంటీ, నిర్మల ఆంటీ అని ఉన్నారు మా హాస్టల్లో. వాళ్ళు ప్రతి ఒక్కటి పర్ఫెక్ట్ అనమాట. ఇది జరగాలి అంటే ఇలానే ఉండాలమ్మా, లేదు తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి, నువ్వు ఫేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది అని నన్ను ఇలా అంటే ముందుకు వెళ్ళడానికి ఖచ్చితంగా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. అండ్ ముబారక్ మ్యామ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుండి ఫిజియాలజీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఎంటర్ అవ్వగానే ఎవరు మీకు ఫేవరెట్ అంటే మేము చెప్తాం ముబారక్ మ్యామ్. ఎవరు అంటే చాలా 90% ఆఫ్ స్టాఫ్ దగ్గర మనకు భయం ఉంటుంది, 10% దగ్గర ఫ్రీగా ఉండగలుగుతాం. అలాంటి మేడం మనకు వార్డెన్గా రావడం, నేను మేడం దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పుకోగలడానికి కారణం అదే. అండ్ నేను చాలా అంటే ఫోర్స్ చేశాను, ఐఎమ్ సారీ ఫర్ దట్ మ్యామ్. లిటరల్గా మాకు 4 years నుండి అంటే మా సీనియర్స్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, అందరూ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళ నుండి ఏం చేంజ్ కనిపించలేదు మాకు. సో మేము ట్రై చేసాము, మేడం మాకు హెల్ప్ చేశారు, కొన్ని చేంజెస్ వచ్చాయి. ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకా మేము వెళ్ళిపోయేలోపు ఇంకా కొన్ని కావాలి, అవి కూడా నీడ్స్ కూడా రాసుకున్నారు. జయభాస్కర్ మేడం గారు కూడా మమ్మల్ని అడిగి వెంటనే చేస్తామని కూడా చెప్పారు. మాకు పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే కాంపౌండ్ వాల్, అది ఇన్ని రోజులు లేక లిటరల్గా సఫర్ అయ్యాము. న్యూ హాస్టల్లో అవుటర్స్ వచ్చి చాలా మిస్చీవియస్ బిహేవియర్ ఉండేది, మేము సఫర్ అయ్యాము. అది కూడా శాంక్షన్ అయింది. సూన్ విల్ గెట్ దట్ కాంపౌండ్ వాల్ ఆల్సో. ఇంకా చేంజెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి అండ్ హాస్టల్ టైమింగ్స్ గురించి ఒక్కటి మనకు కొంచెం ప్రెషర్ ఉంది. సో విల్ ప్రామిస్ యూ మ్యామ్, వీ వోంట్ మిస్యూజ్ యువర్ లవ్ and freedom, and I promise Jayabhaskar ma'am also. And thanks to Subhadra Devi ma'am. Morning I went to her home, she treated me like a family member, literally. Thank you so much ma'am. And especially HOD sir, END HOD sir, we love to call him END HOD sir, not with a name. We from first onwards, HOD sir is coming means we'll be like standing up like that. And we literally thank you sir. We like you very much. Every student in the college will like you the most sir. So thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavya, for such a nice words. Give her a big hand. I deem it a privilege to speak a few words about Dr. Subhadra Devi Madam, our ex-professor and HOD, Department of Anatomy, SVMC. Madam is actually from Tirupati. She studied her schooling at Sri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Municipal High School. She studied her MBBS and MS at SVMC Tirupati from 1973 to 1974 batch. She was an ex-professor and HOD, Department of Anatomy, SVMC, and she was a warden of UG Women's Hostel. Madam started her new work at SWIMS in September 2013. Madam has released a new book last month in anatomy. Such a magnanimous personality she is. Now I'd like to call upon the stage Dr. Subhadra Devi Madam to address this evening.